Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As you see, all markets related to the United States dollar has turned to some retracement today. The Great British Pound Forex market, euro currency, it's also the gold market. So you can see market is showing just minor bounce out from the support area. This support mostly stand for weekly pivot support 1, this green line, and it's very close to the daily average sold. Anyway, if you have read current comments from the markets and an opinion of the analysts, for example, the Reuters analysis suggests that market will continue to move lower and the nearest target stands at the same area as we expect to get it, either it's approximately 1130 area, it's previous lows. So our major opinion here is that despite what rally will happen here, and the markets in general doesn't expect some significant rally. It should be and probably will be sold out by the new bearish positions that were taken here, the downward target. So that's approximately the scenario that we also expect to get, and we probably will watch for this rally as an opportunity for taking the short position. Most interesting for us is the recent thrust down from this top to this bottom, and we probably will try to use the retracement out from this area. So the value of this retracement could be different. If you take a look at the harmonic swings, you could use apply this swing. We'll calculate it here. So let's see what area it will give us. Approximately this will be 1180 area. It's not quite reached the weekly pivot point. Also, this will be very close to the previous support. This has been broken. You know, gold market very often retests the broken supports from the other side. Well, this will be a relatively short-term trade, and it suggests the possible selling of the rally with the target, as I said, at the 1130 area. That will be the context for trading in Euro's perspective. So our major chart is the 4-hour time frame, where we have more information. Here we have different patterns. So recall what we have discussed yesterday. We said that probably market could form some kind of the upside butterfly if it will hold above these lows. The hourly chart, recall what we have discussed here was the multiple stop grabbers, and we said if market will form here a stop grabber, in this case you could show the upward direction. But this scenario has failed with this candle, with this candle, because market has erased the grabbers that has been formed here. I will plot the MACD predictor that just remind you what we have discussed yesterday. So recall these grabbers that we have said, and here we also said if market will form here the grabber, then probably it could show the upward direction. But this hasn't happened. Market dropped lower and erased simultaneously all these grabbers. After this candle, it was clear that market will not continue move to the upside, and as you can see, the market even has dropped further. As a result, we've got two different butterflies. Initially we have this butterfly that we also discussed, just a minute, that butterfly. Recall that we have said that market could show the retracement. That indeed has happened, and after that we've got another one. Here we also have the butterfly. Okay, in general, as a result, we could get different scenarios of the upward direction. First of all, the combination of these butterflies also creates some kind of the 3-drive buy, although here market hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension of this butterfly, but in general this bottom stands at 1618, and this bottom also stands almost at the 1618. So in general we probably could treat it as the 3-drive 1618 3-drive pattern that suggests the taking out of this top at minimum. That's the minimum target. Second scenario that also could happen here, if market will turn to the head and shoulders. For example, market will complete this, will reach this top, turn to the retracement, and then will show greater A, B, C, D pattern right to this area. We think that the major area that we should watch for is the potential area where we could think about taking the short position stands at 1180 confidence resistance, 1160, 76, 78. That's the confidence resistance, very close to 1180. That's in general corresponds to this harmonic swing. Okay, that's why this area will be our major area where we will be watching for a possible short entry, depending on what market will form there. So right now market's turning to retracement, and we just need to wait a bit when this rally upside will be completed, and we will be able to take the short position with the target around 1130. That's our short-term trading plan in the gold market. Let's see how it will develop.